friends, welcome to Cotton Cuts Puzzle Mystery Quilt. This is Wild West, Clue 8 in the colorway Ghost Town. This this clue took me about 26 minutes to do. Lots of pressing, take your time. As always, it was a lot of fun. I did a lot of speed sewing on the day that I recorded the sewing. So, yeah, stay hydrated and I will see you for the inventory. All right, let's go ahead and get straight into this inventory. We're only making 2 blocks, so there shouldn't be too many pieces. So in your clue, you should have in your small triangles 4 of fabric C, 4 of fabric D, and 16 of fabric F. In your medium triangles or your larger triangles, you should have 2 fabric B, 2 fabric C, and in your rectangle, looks like I didn't fold it all the way out. Picture tells a lot. In your fabric F, it's a really long rectangle. You should have 2 of them. Let's go ahead and get to sewing. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and start sewing up this small clue 8 for Ghost Town. Looks like there's only 7 steps. We're making 2 blocks. Should be short and sweet and to the point. I'm going to go ahead and speed this video up, and I hope you enjoy it. here we are with the finished blocks for clue 8. There were only 2 of them, so it didn't take me too terribly long. It was a pretty quick sew. Still loving these colorways. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do for backing at this point because I basically have just put all the clues away. So I haven't been trying to figure out at all what the pattern layout is. Have you? Have you been looking at your clues and trying to figure out what the layout is? I just haven't had time. I just really haven't had time. Anyways, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed already, I would love it if you would do that. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!